10 Interesting fact about Albanian language. Albanian is an Indo-European language, but it is unique in that it does not belong to any of the major language groups within the family, such as Slavic or Romance. Albanian has two main dialects: Geg, spoken in the north of the country, and Tosk, spoken in the south. The Tosk dialect is considered the standard form of Albanian and is the basis for the official language of Albania. The Albanian language has a complex system of noun declension and verb conjugation, with up to 36 different forms for each noun and verb depending on tense, aspect, and mood. Albanian has a rich vocabulary that includes many loanwords from other languages, including Turkish, Italian, and Greek, as well as its own unique words that are not found in any other language. Albanian is written using the Latin alphabet, which was introduced in the early 20th century. Prior to that, Albanian was written using a modified version of the Cyrillic script. One of the distinctive features of Albanian is its use of definite and indefinite articles, which are attached to the end of the noun rather than being separate words. Albanian is the official language of Albania and Kosovo, and it is also spoken by significant populations in Macedonia, Montenegro, and Serbia. Albanian is a relatively phonetic language, meaning that words are pronounced as they are spelled. This makes it easier for learners to read and write the language. Albanian has a rich literary tradition dating back to the 16th century, with notable poets and writers including Naim Frasheri, Ismail Kader, and Migjeni. Albanian has a number of unique features that make it an interesting language to study, including its rich history and cultural heritage, its complex grammar, and its distinctive sounds and intonation patterns. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.